Hello everybody, welcome to Camtech Institute. Today we'll be discussing trick for cube root of a number which you will be able to solve in a few seconds. So here we start. Before we proceed further, you need to remember two things. The first thing is that cube root of all the 4, 5 and 6 digit numbers is always a 2-digit number. You should remember that. And second, cube table from 1 to 10. As you know, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. So remember all this, okay? So we start now. So we come to question number 1. We have to find the cube root of the number 1331 or cube root of 1331. Very simple, you'll be able to solve within a few seconds. Just focus on the unit digit of this number and try to recollect the cube table we just refreshed ourselves with. If you remember, what is a number which when cubed gives 1 in the unit digit? That is 1 cube. What is 1 cube? 1 cube is 1. So that means 1 is the unit digit of the answer we are looking for. Okay, once you have done this, now ignore the last 3 digits of the number and focus on the first digit over here, and that again happens to be 1. Now what number when cubed gives 1? That again is 1 cube is 1. So that means the second digit of the answer is again 1. So the answer that you're looking forward is 11. 11 is the cube root of the number 1331, as 11 into 11 into 11 is 1331. So your answer is 11, right? It's very simple. You could solve it within a few seconds, right? So we come to question number 2. We have to find the cube root of the number 50653 or 50,653. Same process. We'll first focus on the unit digit of the number, that is 3. Now try to recollect the cube table. You remember what is a number which when cubed gives 3 in the unit digit? Well, that is 7 cube. 7 sevens are 49 and 49 sevens are 343, where 3 is the unit digit we're looking forward to. So that means 7 will be the answer or the unit digit of the answer we're looking forward to, right? Once we have done this, we'll ignore the last 3 digits on the right hand side and focus on the first 2 digits over here. And this is 50. Now again try to recollect from the cube table what is a number which when cubed gives either 50 or little less than 50. 3 cube is 27 and 4 cube is 64. 64 is more than 50, so we'll ignore 4 over here, and since 3 cube is 27, we'll take 3. So 3 will be the second digit or the 10th digit of the answer we're looking forward to, and the unit digit was 7 over here. So the answer that we're looking forward to is 37. 37 is the cube root of the number 50653. 37 into 37 into 37 is 50653, right? Very simple. You could do it within a few seconds. Okay, so we come to question number 3. We have to find the cube root of the number 5,31,441. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to first focus on the unit digit over here. What number when cube gives 1 in the answer? That is 1. 1 cube is 1. So the answer or the unit digit of the answer we are looking forward to is 1 over here. Okay, once you have found the unit digit of the answer, now we need to find the other number also. So we'll ignore the last 3 digits on the right hand side and focus on the first 3 digits. That happen to be 531. Now if you remember the cube table, what is a number which when cube gives either 531 or little less than that? We know 8 cube is 512, as 8 8s are 64 and 64 8s are 512, and 9 cube is 729. But 729 is more than 531, so we'll ignore 9 over here, and since 8 cube is 512, which is less than 531, we'll take 8. So 8 will be the second digit or the 10th digit of the answer we're looking forward to. So we could find the unit digit also, we could find the 10 digit also. So the answer or the cube root of the number we got just now 531,441 is 81, right? Since 81 cube is 531,441. Okay, so now we come to question number 4. We have to find the cube root of the number 3,57,911 over here. Okay, so we're going to focus on the unit digit over here first. What is a number which when cube gives 1 in the answer? That happens to be 1. So 1 will be the unit digit of the answer we are looking forward to. Okay, once we have done this, we're going to ignore the last 3 digits on the right hand side and focus on the first 3 digits, and that number happens to be 357. If you remember the cube table, what is a number which when cube gives either 357 or little less than that? We know 7 cube is 343 and 8 cube is 512. But since 512 is greater than 357, so we'll ignore 8. But 7 cube is 343, which is less than 357. So 7 is the answer, or the 10th digit of the answer we're looking forward to. And the unit digit was 1 over here. So the cube root of the number 357,911 is 71. Since 71 cube is 357,911. Okay, hope you have understood it. In case you have not, just repeat the video once again. Okay, so with this we come to the end of the video. It is quiz time now. Do it yourself. Do these 2 sums and send me your answers in the comment box given below. We also look forward to your feedback, and in case if you like the video, do press the like button and the subscribe button. Thank you for giving time. Bye bye. See you.